Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the first thing to do is you want to open the liftgate. You have a button down here, so just open it up. That way it's gonna be much easier for you to work because you can lower the liftgate at your ideal height, and then you can work around these bulbs, right? Okay, so I will try to do it now using only one of my hands. So kind of, you'll see here there is like a small tab inside here, inside this opening. So what you will do, you will get a flat screwdriver or anything similar. You will just press onto it and you will lower down this housing, right? And you will remove it from the liftgate. Once that is done, you just want to turn this socket and remove the bulb. Okay, and here is the light bulb, right? And the last step, to remove the bulb, you pull it just straight out. There is no twisting or anything, so just pull it out, and when you're installing the new bulb, you will just insert it inside this housing. I might have to use both of my hands to do it, or no, I'm good to go. That's it. Very easy to do on this vehicle. And then once it is replaced, it's always a good idea just turn on the lights and make sure the new bulb works before you put back everything in, right? Okay, and this is the test, right? Everything is good to go, and now I can put it back in and install the housing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.